In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete credit card from Amazon account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in amazon.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Amazon. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to delete the credit card, what you have to do is go to your account interface. If you're logged into your account, right over here, you'll be able to find this option for account and lists. What you have to do is click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find the options like your orders, login and security, prime, your addresses, etc. Over here, what you have to do is find this option for your payments and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your payment interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the options for overview, wallet, transactions and settings. Make sure wallet option is selected. Now in your wallet, if you have added the credit card, it will be shown over here. Right now I haven't added it. But if you have added it, it will be shown over here. Simply click on the edit icon associated with that particular credit card. After you do that, you'll be able to find similar options like remove from wallet or delete. All you have to do is click on it. After you do that, the credit card will be removed from your account. So like this, you'll be able to delete it. So that is how you delete credit card from Amazon account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.